Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi, we are cooking sesame seed oil chicken today, which is also known as mayuji. In our earlier videos, we have done this before, but now we want to do it again with proper measurement for you. We are marinating the chicken now. This one spring chicken, approximately 800 to 900 grams. 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of shaoxingjiu or Chinese cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 1 thumb size ginger. I've grated them. I just want to squeeze out the juice, but we're keeping the pulp because later I want to fry the pulp so it will smell really nice. So I'm just going to squeeze out the juice onto the chicken just to marinate them. Wash your hand before you do this. So keep the pulp. We're going to fry this with the rest of the ginger later on. So marinate them and mix them up well. Now I'm going to marinate this in the fridge for approximately 1 hour for the nice ginger juice to get in. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. We will now start to cook the chicken. Heat up your clay pot. If you do not have a clay pot, you can use a normal pan at home or a wok. We don't have to wait for the clay pot or pan to get hot. Just pour in 1/3 of a cup of sesame seed oil. I smash up ginger, about 2 thumb size. Now the oil can be cold right now, no problem, because I want to slowly bring out the aroma of this ginger. So I'm going to slowly pan fry them. This will take approximately 8 to 10 minutes. This is how it will look like after 1-2 minutes. Okay, you'll see bubbles forming. That's okay. I can smell the fragrance of this sesame seed oil already. Now I just want the smell of the ginger to come out. Now that you can smell the fragrance of this ginger and sesame seed oil, you'll add in garlic, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and the pulp from the ginger juice that we have extracted just now. Just add them in also. Smells really, really good. We'll add in the chicken now. Just pour them all in. Now do not wash this away. To this, the remaining marinade, I'll add in the water from the mushroom, a can of mushroom. I'll just add this in and stir them in later to be used. This goes very well with steamed rice. Of course, you can have minced with this, or even noodles. Very aromatic dish. Stir them around for approximately 5 minutes or so. Let every piece of the chicken has contact with the clay pot that we are using over here. It smells really, really, really good. Add in 1/3 cup of Chinese rice wine. Look at how beautiful this dish is. Excellent dish. This is something that I'm sure your whole family will like. We'll add in the brine of the mushroom now. To this, I will add in 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Stir them well. Now if you like your color to be darker, you can always add in a little bit more dark soya sauce if you want to. These are the canned mushroom. I've cut it into half like this because it's pretty big. So I'm just going to pour everything in also. Now just going to put the cover on and let it stew for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's have a look. Beautiful. Now I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. I like my dish to be slightly darker, so I'm going to add in another tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Beautiful color. Now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a good stir, mix it up really well. I'm going to thicken up this sauce with a little bit of cornstarch solution. And to top it off, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Shaoxingjiu or Chinese cooking wine. Time to serve this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our sesame oil chicken. I hope you like our dish. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.